Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to acquire for a customizable YouTube thumbnail via the inspiration tab using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and the inspiration tab that may have been added to your account over the last couple of weeks. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to YouTube Studio and then make sure that you are signed into the account. We now want to go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to content. We then want to click onto the inspiration tab where all the work is being done via the use of artificial intelligence. We are able to spark an idea, create a video script, all from get suggestions. So I want to, let's just say, organically acquire for a customizable video thumbnail that I could generate, download, re-edit, or add some information to it, export it, and then add to the video. So let's search for iMac 2025, get suggestions. This should generate those ideas for the next video on screen. So we now have a couple of video ideas, iMac 2025, performances, the features. Let's now click on the third suggestion and then go to thumbnails, click on show more. This will then generate and acquire for the information. Let's now wait for that to load. And here we have beautiful customizable video thumbnails that will take us hours to create and edit ourselves. If we were to go that route, I want to generate a few, download the thumbnail. So that will save to the desktop. Save. Let's generate another. Same concept. Download. Let's now download a third. Click on save. That is now downloaded. So we can minimize Safari for the moment. Swipe up on the trackpad to see those three customizable video thumbnails that were generated via YouTube inspiration. Our task then would be to study these images, add them to a photo editing software tool, and then re-edit, re-export, and then add to our video for that to stand out in front of the audience when they were to make the search for your video. So let's now go down to the dock, go to Safari. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.